Good morning guys! Today is the day! Nakakaloka. Kung hindi magbabago yung isip niya, ngayon namin i-film yung tag. So, sana hindi magbago yung isip niya. I'm just preparing his coffee. Tapos dito, yan yung for my coffee. Punta muna kami sa shops kasi mamayang 12:30 may football. Sa TV lang kasi yung laro ng team niya, hindi dito. So, kapag dito yung laro nila, nanonood talaga kami sa oval. Pero kapag hindi, nanonood kami sa TV. And pinapanood niya talaga every single game. So, mamaya manonood kami. Pero pupunta muna kami sa grocery. Kasi matatapos yung football siguro mga 3:30 na. So, after ng football, plano namin i-film yung tag. So, yeah, sana hindi magbago yung isip niya. Kasi kagabi, sabi niya, okay daw, ngayon daw. So, sana hindi magbago yung isip. Ayoko kasi na pinipilit siya. Though, parang may time talaga na parang sige na, gawin na natin. Pero, like, you know, kapag dumating na sa araw talaga, ayokong pilitan siya. Kasi, ayoko naman na pilit siya pagdating sa, video na talaga. So, I'm just gonna prepare the coffee. Talk to you guys later. Pancake. Yummer. I already have whipped cream on my coffee. No, I just need the fork. Thank you.
I don't believe in knives.
I don't believe in knives. That's ready. We're using this, the same one we got last time. Pancake shake, maple, whatever. Greens. We're off. It's raining. It was raining. Yeah, we're just going to the shops. We have few stuff in here that we need to buy. We were not able to buy it when we went shopping on Friday night. So yeah, it's just chicken and cuttlefish, shrimp, and nothing special. Look at these guys. This guy is going to film the video today. Yes! Today is the day! Nice weather. Wet, but
Yeah, it's alright.
yeah. It's no longer raining, so that's good. We're going to Kohl's, babe?
Yeah.
Yes! 10 of you. We're going to Bargain City. I will get thread.
For my cousin's engagement.
Oh, there.
That one?
Forever and always. Yeah, that's cute as well.
Christening, new baby boy. It's for next week, so it's a bit.
We got the batteries and the thread. And then we will go to Kohl's, right, babe? Yes, babe. Let's go. We're looking for popcorn.
So
Oh,
we got
popcorn. We got this. We got chicken, shrimp, wallet, phone. What do you want? Oh, that? You want that? Star Wars sauce.
this is cheap though. This is like $1.
$1 each?
This is cheap to get this.
Yeah, it's up to you. But how many bags? Oh, 4 bags. Oh, yeah. What's the difference though? Just the packaging is different? Star Wars?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is triple flavor. This is just butter flavor.
What's triple flavor? Like what triple? Triple butter? Yeah, same. Okay. Oh well, mister.
Alright, that'll do.
What else? Ginger ale. Oh, they will never have it. They don't have it. Ginger ale. You don't like that?
Do you like cranberry?
I'm not sure. What's
You won't like
cranberry? What the heck is cranberry though?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it looks like
Ginger beer.
be the same.
Oh, I thought save 70%, 70 cents. You don't want to try that, babe? We found the ginger ale. This is not the exact one I'm looking for though, but it's ginger ale, so yep. We're done at Kohl's. We will go to the Asian market to buy the cuttlefish. Kasi gagamitin ko siya for the pancit later. I'm gonna cook pancit today. Yes. It's really cold today. Ooh, nice. Kmart. Blockbuster. Like it's for like renting DVDs and stuff like that. Yes, it still exists. Barely. I think we're going there. Family Mart. Sorry? Oh, there? Yeah. Indian yummers. Okay, let's go. I'm also looking for the cream for the fruit salad. Oh, we'll see. Cuttlefish. I'm not sure really what it's supposed to look like.
This section.
How about that? Oh, rice cake? No. Rice cake, cuttlefish, 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 cuttlefish.
Be around here though.
No?
No, it might just be around this. It's like the fish section here.
Wala sila ng cream at saka ng cuttlefish. So, pupunta kami sa ibang Asian grocery. We got our cuttlefish. Dang, that's expensive. That's a freaking expensive thing. That's 18 bucks for that.
600.
Oh my gosh, yeah! Ugh. Oh well. We're home. Foodie's on, so please don't mind it. We got popcorn, the really expensive cuttlefish balls. We got this ginger ale, and this one. I don't really know what this is, but yeah, it was 2 for 3, so we got 2. And then we got the shrimp. And then 2 popcorns. We got chicken fillet right there. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking pancit. So I'm just gonna prepare the ingredients. I'm gonna start cooking the pancit. I already cooked his lunch for tomorrow. So I have here itong onions at chopped garlic. I have my chicken. Tapos yung cuttlefish. Snow peas, carrots, and yeah, I think that's it. Oh, this chicken cubes, and then the bihon is there. So yeah, here's the pancit. Merong lemon. Yummers, kain tayo. I'm getting ready. Yes, we will do it now. Looking at. Meron pa siyang ginagawa pa. Hi guys! I can't show you the makeup look yet kasi we did the my boyfriend does my makeup tag, and yeah, so I'm just gonna wash off my face and then see you guys later. Meron pa rin parang lipstick na tint na natara kasi nung film namin yung video, hindi ko alam kung kailan magiging up yung video. Siguro after this vlog. I'm not sure. Pero yeah, you will see on the video, parang nilagyan niya ng red lipstick first, tapos tinanggal niya yung red lipstick, tapos ginamit niya yung parang purple na lipstick. Yung red lipstick, I'm pretty sure this is from the red lipstick na tint. Ito yung color collection na satin lipstick. Ruby Slippers yung shade niya. So it's just a really like true red lipstick like that. And yeah, yan yung tint, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna apply mask tonight. Siguro I will. Yeah, I will. So, meron akong 4 na face mask na natira. This is from the April Mask Maven. And this one is from the May. Ano ba yung gagamitin ko? This one looks interesting. Siguro I'm just gonna do this. It's the Red Vine Mask. Meron siyang wine na ganap dyan, no? It's really cute. Siya yung pinakamaliit out of all, like the mask. Like, look at that. I really like this one. I mean, packaging-wise, it looks cute. So, I'm gonna try it. Parang malapit na mawala yung mga blemishes ko. Parang unti-unti na silang nawawala. And I'm sure I'm gonna get questions, what did you do? I didn't really do anything specific. Like, wala akong ginawa na parang i-treat siya. Ginagawa ko lang yung normal na skincare routine ko. Yeah, wala akong ginagawang extra step to get rid of the blemishes kasi naniniwala ako. Like, you know, based on experience kasi, nawawala lang naman talaga sila. This one nga, sobrang tagal na nito. And hindi pa rin siya nawawala. This mask smells like wine, you guys. I don't drink, but I smell wine all the time. Kasi yung family ni Danny, umiinom sila ng mga wine ganun. And yeah, this smells like wine. That's really interesting. Oh my gosh. Sana binigay ko lang to sa mama niya. So, meron siyang parang 2 layers. And obviously, this one goes into your face. And then the other one is just... Ooh, smells like wine. Oh my goodness. This is also really, really liquidy. Like, sobrang daming liquid. Ipapaamoy ko to kay Dan mamaya pag uwi niya. Tingnan natin kung magigess niya yung amoy. Kasi parang weird, diba? Na parang mask tapos wine. So, we'll see. Sana hindi mawala yung amoy. Dumating na si Dan, naligo lang. Pinaamoy ko sa kanya yung mask, pero hindi niya naamoy. Kasi siguro nawala na. Ipapaamoy ko sa kanya ito, mamaya. Kasi nandito pa yung moisture eh. Kasi usually, kapag merong moisture, tapos okay na yung leeg ko, and stuff like that, tapos meron pa rin natitira, nilalagay ko sa mukha niya. So after niya maligo, ilalagay ko yun sa mukha niya, and we'll see if maano niya yung wine. I'm gonna put some moisture on your face, babe. Okay. Sige na. Something?
You ready to find out what
Smells like what?
Okay, smell it.
You can't? Are you sure? Babe, really?
Not really.
You didn't smell that? No? Wine? Yes, it smells like red wine. It does! It does though! It does. Are you kidding me? I don't even drink. I don't know what that smells like. Good morning, Ube. You're blurry. You're blurry, buddy. Are you ready to eat? I have some food for you. Still swimming. I'm gonna give you this much food. Let's go. Kain na. Good boy. Yummers. Hi guys! Katatapos ko lang maligo and I'm back in my PJs because walang ganap today. So I'm just gonna stay in the house. No makeup on as well because hindi ako mag-film. And after ko maligo, tinry ko tong pre-lab na toning peeling tab. So, tap, hindi tab. So, yeah, tinry ko siya kanina. I was gonna vlog pero wala akong suot na damit. Pero, yeah, it's just really interesting. Kasi, diba, ganyan yung itsura niya, oh, sa loob. Can you see that? Yes, you can see that. Parang meron siyang, parang foam na parang meron siyang cotton, parang meron siyang cotton pad. Hindi siya as in cotton talaga. Pero basta, papakita ko sa inyo next time. Napakita ko na to sa unboxing video ko eh. Ano niya, walang ganap today. So, I'm just gonna... Oh, actually, I need to do something. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do that something that I need to do. And then I'll... Oh! Yes, and I need to paint my nails as well. I removed my nail polishes na. And I'm gonna meet Kathy on... Oh, dark. I'm gonna meet Kathy tomorrow. Kasi day off niya. So, pupunta kami ng city. Tapos, kailangan ko din bumili ng shoes. So, I will see her tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Napunta ako dun para kumuha ng nail polish. Pero wala akong kinuha. Kakaloka. Hindi ko alam kung anong color yung gagamitan ko. Hi guys! I'm watching... sino tong babaeng to? Basta yung kapatid ni Colleen Ballinger. Ballinger, right? Yeah. I just finished... No. I was gonna say I just finished painting my nails, but not really. I finished painting it. Parang ano ba nangyari sa mukha ko? Parang kanina ko pa ito natapos. I just finished editing a video. It's saving right now. Ito yung my everyday makeup look ko. I'm excited for you guys to see that. Pero yeah, on my nails, I use this Revlon Balsam Fir. So looks like that. I actually really like the shade. Pero, meron siyang amoy na parang, di ko siya gusto. Parang amoy ng bulaklak ng patay. Nakakaloka. Yeah, parang hindi ko naman kasi alam na scented pala to. So, nung nilagay ko siya kanina, parang sabi ko, ano ba yung naaamoy ko? Bakit minumulto na ba ako dito? Nakakaloka. Hindi ako naniniwala sa multo daw. Pero parang, bakit ko nakakaamoy ng parang amoy, bulaklak ng patay? Yung kuko ko pala. So, yun yung amoy niya, you guys. Hindi ko siya bet. Though, I really like the color, pero yung amoy lang. Anyway, tapos na ako mag-lunch eh. Pero kanina pa ako nag-lunch. Maaga ako nag-lunch before noon. Nag-lunch na ako. So, I'm just gonna have snacks. Ito yung Pringles. Yes, hindi ko pa rin siya naubos. Just because I love chips doesn't mean like naubos ko yung isang packet ng chips in one sitting. You know what I mean? Siguro mga actually pang-apat na beses ko na tong kinakain and hindi pa rin siya ubos because that's just life. Konti lang yung na-accommodate ng aking tiyan eh. So, chocolate, vanilla, and custard in one? Yes. Ooh. Look at what this guy brought. Nakakarating lang niya and he got me this. He said it's called cannolis. It's an Italian thing, so I'm gonna try it out. Exciting, yummers. It looks really, really good.
Really?
Is it really good? Really, really? It's really, really, really good. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang chocolate sa other side. Tapos, I don't really know. He said may chocolate custard tsaka vanilla siya. So, yeah, that's good. Yummers. I'm going to cook stir fry. So, I have here my mushroom, broccoli, carrots, and then merong snow peas dito. That's cuttlefish. No, not ginger. Garlic, onions, lettuce. This is shrimp na kanina ko pa hinihintay na ma-thaw. Finally, na-thaw na siya. And then I'm gonna be using sesame oil. And then nandito rin yung oyster sauce. So, it's ready. I'm just gonna turn on. This is what our ulam looks like for tonight. I could have added more vegetables, really. Like, see,
Yeah.
you can't even see the broccoli now.
Yeah, you probably could have, but that's alright.
That's alright. First time to do this, so. It's hot. Do you like
Yeah, it's
it?
good, babe.
It's good?
Yeah.
Yay.
We have that rice too?
Yep, still cooking. Almost done though. I added more broccoli, you guys, kasi kulang ng greens kanina and inubos ko na lang yung broccoli namin. So, hintayin ko lang na maluto yung broccoli and then it's ready. Hi guys! We're just watching MasterChef. Katapos na namin kumain. Wala nang ganap. Mag-edit lang ako ng vlog and that's basically it. So I'm just gonna close my vlog kasi papanoorin ko to. So yeah, that's it for this video. Good night guys! Do not forget, be good. Do you want to say good night?
Good night.
Good night! Bye!